All right, kids, you're going to turn to page 59 in your Learn books. Okay, I hope everybody's there. Page 59. Let's do our application problem for lesson 10. It says, read the problem carefully. Shelby picks 35 oranges. 5 are rotten. How many of Shelby's oranges are not rotten? That is question A. That's the first part of the question. Okay? Then it says Rosa picks 35 oranges too, but 6 are rotten. How many of Rosa's oranges are not rotten? We have two parts of the question. First, we're going to do part A. And part A talks about Shelby's oranges. And we know that Shelby's oranges, I'm going to write Shelby right here on the side. We know that Shelby has a total of oranges that she picked, and she picked 35, right? And 5 of those oranges are rotten. Our job is to figure out how many are not rotten, okay? 5 are rotten, but we're going to figure out how many are not rotten. So the way we're going to do this is we can do the arrow method, we can do number bond, we could do count back, and today we're going to learn vertical form. But for now, let's try the arrow way. So we're going to do 35, and we're going to count back, and we're going to minus 5. 35 minus 5, boys and girls? 30. Very good. So my answer is 30, right? Okay, now let's try it the other way. This way was the arrow way. Now let's try the number bond way. The number bond way means we're going to do 35 minus 5 equals blank. We could decompose 35 and take 10. When you take 10 from 35, you're left with 25. Okay? So then when you take 10, you could do 10 minus 5. So 10 minus 5 equals 5. And then you go back to your number bond and you look at the 25. We have 25 left. So we go and add it back to our answer, which was 5. So 5 plus 25 equals 30. So our answer, even with our number bond, is 30. So we're going to say 30 of Shelby's oranges are not rotten. So I'm just going to put 30 oranges are not rotten. That answers question A. Okay? Now I'm going to make a line. And the reason why I'm making a line is because now I'm going to answer question B. And B is very similar to A. For B, we're looking for Rosa's oranges. It says Rosa picks 35 oranges, just like Shelby, but 6 are rotten. How many of Rosa's oranges are not rotten? So I'm going to make, again, a strip diagram. I know that Rosa picked 35 total oranges. I know that 5 of them were rotten. My job is to look for how much of Rosa's oranges are not rotten. Okay? So let's put the equation. We could do this. Oh, it's 6. I'm sorry. It's 6. Sorry. 6 are not rotten. 6. All right. Rosa's is a little bit different. 6 are rotten. So our equation would look like this. 35 minus 6. We could do the arrow method too. What we could do here is we could actually break apart the 6 into a 5 and a 1. And the reason why I broke up the 6 into a 5 and the 1 is because I want to subtract the 5. Look, 35 minus 5. Look what we're going to be left with. We're going to be left with what, kids? 30. So then when I say 35 minus 30, now we've got to just now subtract how much more? One more. So we subtract one more, and that'll equal what? So I don't know if you noticed, but we're just subtracting one more than Shelby's. Let's try the arrow way. I'm going to do 35, and first I'm going to take away 5. How much does that get us to? 30. Then I need one more because I have 6 that were rotten. So I'm going to take away one more. 30 minus 1 is 29. So did I get 29 for both methods? Yes. Okay, I'm going to try another one. I'm going to try the number bond. 35 minus 6 equals blank. I'm going to do the number bond because I'm going to take 10 from 35. Remember the take 10? Okay, so let's take 10. We have a 10 here, and then we have a 5 here. Who am I going to subtract first? 10 minus who? 10 minus 6. So I'm going to do 10 minus 6. How much is 10 minus 6? 4. 10 minus 6 is 4. How much is left in my number bond? 5. So now I'm going to add what? 5. I'm going to add 5. So now 4 plus 5 is 9. So did I get the same thing?
Yeah.
What am I missing here? Oh, this should have been 25. Sorry, this should have been 25. So you're actually adding 4 plus 25 equals 29. I'm sorry, your number bond here should have been what? When you decompose 35, what is it, kids? 25. Take 10 and you have 25 left. Then you did, Cairo, go to the restroom. 10 minus 6. How much is 10 minus 6? 4. Now add the rest of your number bond. How much is that? 4 plus 25? 29. So how many of Rosa's oranges were not rotten? 29. So I'm going to write 29 oranges were not rotten.